call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
I got the woman go under my shirt. Still talking reckless and he can get murked. Remix, I had to get rich on the verse. I fuck on that bitch and I pull up a skirt. I feel like Rich, I don't walk with the plug. I'm out in LA and they showing me love.
Guys, I gotta tell you guys something. You guys might look at me differently. You might not see me the same way, but I made a huge decision of my life. I just did it without any thinking. You guys just have to see it yourself.
He needs some milk.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
But a nigga is spinning though. You see me look at these shits, my G? Look at him. Oh! Oh my goodness, this nigga is spinning, you feel me? God, I'm getting waves now. I'm spinning now, my guy. Hold up. I'm spinning. Bro, God, I was done with the long hair. Having long hair, you have to get up in the morning, it's all smushed down. You wake up, it's all smushed. You feel me? That is not the way to go. It takes way too much. It takes way too much time. Too much, like, ways. Wake up, take a do-rag, go to sleep. Boom. Me, that would, every day when I went to school, it would take like 10 minutes for me to do my hair. Me, I wake up right now, take the do-rag off, few brushes, done. Brush my teeth, put on my clothes, shoes, socks, easy. I got so many do-rags. Look, I got purple one, navy blue one, red one, bro. Niggas just out here styling, you feel me? But yeah, the reason why I haven't been posting is because my tripod broke. See? My tripod broke. Look, it's all fucked up. Yeah, that's why I haven't been posting. So yeah, don't get mad at me. Get mad at this. Alright, this is not my fault. So yeah, right now I'm just chilling. But new videos are coming out. Alright, guys, hope you like the video. Alright, hope you like my waves. They're crisp. They're not there yet. They're not at the full form, you feel me? But yeah, new videos are coming soon. Alright guys, hope you like the video. I want you guys to subscribe. If you guys are new, check my social media below. Alright, and yeah, so like the video, subscribe, and deuces.
I'm on this ecstasy while you laying next to me. My touch you testy, but won't you stay? It says to me, I made me more than you.